Hey guys, welcome back to another RASK Maths tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be carrying on the proof series and I'm going to be talking about the contrapositive today. So the contrapositive is it's an idea where you take a relationship to do with proof statements. So let's just say we have a statement P, which implies statement Q. Now, the inverse of this would be Q implies P. The contrapositive is slightly different in that it's basically, since P implies Q, if Q doesn't happen, so we'll say not Q, if Q didn't happen, that must mean that P didn't happen either. So the contrapositive is the idea of negating a relationship in reverse. So I'll give you an example of this. Let's say x equals 3 implies x squared equals 9. All right. So therefore, do this in different color. X being 3 implies x squared is 9. So therefore, if x squared is not equal to 9, then x is not equal to 3. There's a concrete example, and it's pretty obvious when you really think about it, because if this statement Q over here is not true, and P has implied Q, even if there's other things that imply Q, so we can have R implies Q, S implies Q, but if Q hasn't happened, then none of P, R, or S could have happened. So clearly, we can deduce another statement from this original. And there's a few things to know about the contrapositive. One important thing is that it always has the same truth value. Always has the same truth value. So what this means is if this was the original relationship, then if this was false, i.e. P didn't actually imply Q, then the contrapositive would also be false. This would not hold. And fairly simply, if they're both true, that would also make sense. We can also write this in if-else notation. So I'll say if P, then Q, and this implies if not Q, then not P. That's the idea of a contrapositive. And you'll really see this in TMUA. That's where these really come up. TMUA paper 2. They really just help for proof questions, and when you know about this, a lot of questions have become super easy because you're able to just apply this formula and deduce things which otherwise might have been hard to deduce. So thanks for watching, and that was the contrapositive. See you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.